Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be pulling the rear diff out of my 80 series Land Cruiser, so we can give it a fresh spray. I want to check the diff center, see if that's all good, replace bearings, new brakes, the whole lot. This will be the first video of a series. This is going to be a full build on my 80 and I'll showcase everything that I do to it. So let's get stuck into it. I've already been at it a little bit. I've got the tail shaft off, rear brake hose disattached, handbrake cable off. Just need to remove the shocks, springs, panhard and the upper and lower control arms, and then we should be able to pull this diff out. Just noticed this was another reason why I wanted to remove the diff. Don't know if you can see, but right on the bottom there's a bit of oil. Obviously the rear axle seals are leaking, so it's probably due to be rebuilt. Just get that jack situated so the diff can't drop too far. There we go, those bushes are cactus. Stick that back on there for now, actually. I'll get all the bolts as well, they're all had a hard life by the looks of it. Do the same thing this side. There's another bit while we're doing this. Rear bushes are all cactus as well. I dare say there'll be the same thing in there. So I've got all new rear, lower and upper control arms, new panhards, extended brake lines, new coils, the new shocks coming. So it should be a fun little build. Just 24mm back of this lower panhard bolt off all the way. This actually might drop a little bit, didn't think about this. There we go, that's all dropped. Now we can pull these coils out. Same on this side. Just double check there's nothing else connected, which I don't think there is. Yeah, that's all loose, that's all fine. And we'll just focus on getting the upper control arm bolts off. Best way to do it is just to label some sandwich bags and just put your bolts in there, and then when it comes time to refit, it's easy as just grab out the bag you need and off you go. Another good thing about doing this as well, you get to clean up all of these bolts, remove all that corrosion and make them look like new again. And when we reassemble it, we'll put some anti-seize on there and should be good for another 400,000 Ks like this one's done. Now with this side all done, shocks off, lower arm, upper arms off, and the panhard. We'll just go to that side and repeat the same thing, then we can drag this diff out. Alright, now we just repeat the same thing on this side. And the same thing again, bag the bolts up, just makes it easier for when we put it back together. Right, just like that, that diff is now ready to come out. May just quickly remove this panhard so it's out of the way. Got a new one coming anyway, so might as well get rid of it now. Just like that. Okay, and just like that, diff is out of the car. It's in the shed on some jackstands. Now we're going to tackle getting the calipers off, rear disc drums, and we might pull the pumpkin out to inspect the gears. I did notice there's a fair bit of metal material on the drain magnet. And I've only changed the rear diff oil about 5,000 k's ago, so it's not looking too good. We'll pull apart and inspect and we'll see how we go. I think we'll leave it at that for today's episode. Pretty happy that the diff is now out and in the shed. Next episode we'll start stripping it down and prepping it for paint. And then we can put the diff back under the car. Hopefully all the new suspension arms, springs and shocks are here. That way we don't have to touch it again. And then we can start focusing on the front. We're going to do the exact same thing, strip it down, inspect it all and paint the housing. Anyway, thank you for watching this build episode. If you're interested in more of this content, please like the video and subscribe to stay up to date. Cheers guys.